Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to clear special formatting from table in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then you want to clear special formatting. At first, go to the table slide. Now I am select the table, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and select the clear formatting option. Then we can see we clear the all formatting easily. Otherwise you can remove the color. Select the table again and go to the table design menu and select the shading drop down menu and choose no fill. Now we can see we remove the special formatting very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.